What's up guys, so we are gonna unbox this Razer Viper Ultimate wireless gaming mouse. As you can see, it just arrived from the USA. As you can see the address from the USA. So I got some Amazon gift card from US, so I ordered it and it shipped to India, and it was $116 around, with including some custom duties, tax and all. Its original price is I think $79 or $69, I guess, without the dock version. This is the without the dock version I got. I don't need the dock because I've read that some issues there with the dock, so I didn't add the dock. I'll charge it by USB. So if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, subscribe. As you can see, made with less material. Cargo with the RMX, the delivery partner. As you can see, the mouse is here. As you can see, finish is very good. Viper Limited. We got some good reviews. As you can see, very nice. Razer Chroma RGB plus hyper speed wireless technology. It's not like any other wireless mouse. As you can see, it's very award-winning mouse with wireless technology, and it has 20K DPI optical. As you can see, 20K, so it's better. As you can see, some eSport gamers also suggested this mouse. Wireless speed on the mouse is really fast, and it doesn't feel like I'm playing on wireless, as you can see. And some reviews are there. As you can see, not all wireless mice are made equal. Less serious, something else. It got 2 years warranty with it. Okay, nothing else. Some air bubbles. This one is damaged. This is the invoice. As you can see, the model is Razer Viper Ultimate Lightest Wireless Gaming Mouse. As you can see, this is the subtotal $69 plus the shipping and handling total paid by. As you can see, paid by gift certificate $116. Alright, so time to unbox it. As you can see, it's very good. Let me just open the seal first. Very good. Good packaging. As you can see, it's directly opened right away. Very good packaging. Smells very nice. As you can see, this is the mouse. Some manuals. Thank you for choosing Razer. Protect your Razer gear today. Some warranty Razer card. Signature of the co-founder and all, CEO. Alright. For gamers, by gamers. As you can see, this is the manual books and some stickers. Very good stickers of Razers. As you can see, Razer Chroma for gamers by gamers. I'll stick it to the CPU. As you can see, some good manuals, pretty nice manuals. Alright, so let's just see the mouse. This is the charging cable. As you can see, the quality of this charging cable is also very good. It's braided and the quality is very nice. As you can see, I can feel it. It's already braided with the, I think it's micro USB with the USB A. Alright, so I'll just see first the mouse. From here we can open it. Alright, like this you can open it. This is the it's like dock only, not that dock, but it used to charge it. Charge the mouse. Right, here's the mouse. As you can see, the finish is pretty nice, and the Razer logo will appear here with the RGB chroma. And it's very lightweight, as already this mentioned. As you can just feel it. Take it. Very light, na? Lightest and most powerful wireless. Yeah, as you can see, very nice 20K optical. So, and let me just open this seal. As you can see, this is the connector. This is the connector. So I'll just grab it. 2.4 gigahertz speed. Alright, this is the sensor and this is the power on button, I think. Yeah, very good. As you can see, the lights are very finishing, very light, and the colors are very nice, RGB colors. As you can see, when I'll turn off, it will disappear like this. Very nice, Jadu. Yes. And this is the button for the gaming mode or something else. I think this is the mode now for to change the buttons, switch and all. I think that's the thing. So I'll just try it with the new PC. As you can see, it works very nice. Finish is very good. I'll just set it up with the gaming RGB mousepad. As you can see, with this RGB gaming mousepad by the Ant Esports, it feels very nice and the controls very good. As you can see, pretty good finish. Alright, so if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, subscribe. Alright, so peace out.